Gilbert Cagete, please requesting to proceed to the ICU. Gilbert Cagete, number 1. Lakaw yan ay taon ka mag-seduce yan, number 1. Ay, kinauray, kumit siya ng tutoy. Dali ka na magputo. Okay, candidate number 1. Introduce yan. Paso. Okay. Music game. Music. Volume sa paso. Wow. Candidate number 1 from Southern Leyte. Ano number 1? Aba! Number 1. Okay, introduce Layla. Ladies and gentlemen.
And of course, to our especially beautiful and pretty and handsome International Criminal Court judges, good evening. Aniya ko karon sa inyong atubangan haron paghukom sa mga buhi o minatay. Well, I do believe that we are humans, have two hands, the left and the right. By the way, my name is Doña Sergia S. Cañete Voncawel. I live in the House of Representatives. I'm studying at University of Dunya Lili Nis Nigapatan Memorial Chapel National High School. My ambition of life is to become a Bachelor of Science major in home ikananay someday. There's one thing I can tell you that for me, love means time. Definitely, if there's no time, there's no love. Because for me, time means forgiveness, intimacy, mutual understanding, istoryahin. At ako, lagi niyong tandaan, ako mag-iiwan sa inyo ng kasabihan, ang lahat ng ito'y ay anak ng mga iro. Once again, this is candidate number 1, Miss Doña Sergia S. Cañete Voncawel. And I thank you.
Thank you so much, number 1. Okay, sa Maycor, ay taga-tago ko sa Barbie, uy. Okay, Maycor, candidate number 2, Nino Cabelosa. Candidate number 2, aka pala, Go Music. Papasa mo din ako. Okay? Oh, sige pa daw yung kumagibati. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Especially to our judges. My name is Mia Khalifa. Study of Bachelor of Agriculture. Naniwala ako sa kasabihan, ang bagitong walang pera sa aming kumakapit. And I'm fighting you. Thank you so much. Sabi itong backpack sa Maniha. I know that kayo. Tulogin ko mula ako sa lima. Okay, thank you number 2. I now we call our candidate number 3, the Barbie, Mr. Hill Brigoli. Backpack! Pag-inainay na ha. Okay. Go. Ilista.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Aramina Crisilda. Maniwala ka mo sa kasabihan, ako pangit man yung tingnan, makapabuntis pa naman. Ay, thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 3. So may call our candidate number 4. Abilio, Atrigenio. Candidate number 4, palakpakan. Okay. Kumustang mais hindi mo buhok? Diyos ko yan.
Good evening everyone. My name is Mikaela. Wag mo kaila. Wala ako sa kasabihan. I believe.
Usa man yun.
I believe.
Ito yan. Sunod. Thank you so much, number 4. Sus ka na kahon. Our last candidate. Candidate number 5. Palakpakan naman dyan. Pwede ni ka daw. Ito, saan ka daw? Dara. Ligawas mo na kita. Ako bang dito matagtiki?
Magabi tanan. My name is Joyce Minis. Nagsabi, og lamian basa na. Thank you.